How to pack for a move. Choose the right box. Throwing everything into a box will likely cause damage, so pack wisely. Heavy items like books should go into small boxes. Your clothes can be kept wrinkle-free in wardrobe boxes. Plus, it saves time when unpacking. And other lighter items, such as your teddy, can go into a large box. Don't overload the boxes. Boxes should weigh no more than you can comfortably lift. Put heavier items at the bottom to create a stable base. Make sure that the boxes do not bulge at the top or sides. This way, they will stay stable when you stack them in your storage unit. Tape and label your boxes. Clearly label each box with the contents and the room so you can easily find it later. And finish off with tape to secure the box and protect everything inside. Wrap your furniture. Cover furniture, mattresses and rugs in blankets and plastic wrap to keep them in good condition during the move and while in storage. For the best results, pad and wrap everything up securely. Well, maybe not everything. Shurgard, for every move in life.